All right, so let's do 1, 2, and then I'm gonna go into this side. Make sure that you all can see it. Go 1, 2, and then 3. Now I am going to key it really quick for 15 seconds flash, like a flash key. Great. I think and face focus too far, I can't see it. All right, so here is a weaver gels and pure white. I'm gonna close it. All right, so this is super cute nails, the first one. Sorry, it's a little bit big right there. Good. Right, it's a good one. That one is good. So let's go into that nails. I'm gonna using again. It's there are 12 of them. I just got 5 over here. You can do, so before you do weaver gel, make sure you're doing a color you prefer and a no wipe top coat and cure for full cure 60 seconds, or else this will stain with all the pigment. So this doesn't work with the matte top coat because you're gonna stain the matte top coat. If you want a matte look, you're gonna do it after you do with the pigment. So just for your information. So you can do this, you can do wherever you would like your neon yellow. It's a little pigment go a long way. So I don't need to use a lot, but it's really fun to play with this. All right. You can do randomly. You don't have to do exactly the same what I'm doing. You can do so many different ways. Just a little bit here and there. And you can do with ombre the same look that I did it earlier as well. It's fun though to do the ombre. Or you can do it randomly. I want all colors on this. I don't know why, I just love all those. It's so happy though. Right there. If you want green, you want blue, you can add blues on. Just a little bit. I don't know, is this neon will last you forever. It takes so long to go through one of this. Great, just a little bit there. There. And I'm gonna using my green. I think you don't have to do all of this. You can do however you prefer. All right, that's all you need. I'm gonna move them first because I don't want that the other pigments will get in when I dust this off. My unicorns, you know, I don't know, is for almost 3 years. She's with me and she's old now, but she's the one that only ones with the pigment that when I dust the pigment, it will not pick up the pigment and like contaminate on the others. So that's why the pigments stay really nice and precise. So if you do a thicker strings and line for your weaver gels, it wanna make your strings look thicker. So if you want it thinner, you do it thinner, however you prefer. So I am go ahead and use some condensed wool gel because I'm gonna dress some crystal, neon crystal here for you. Really thick density, so each time you need just a little bit, and also especially when you're doing on the shorter nails, so you don't need a whole lot. Hey, Michelle's on you're on Facebook. Congratulations, Michelle's. Make sure, please remember to email us at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. If you are not sure, you can go to our website and scroll all the way down. There was the contacting us. You can contact us by submit your email. with your name and your shipping address, so then we can ship your price to you. And congratulations for naming the set last night. So you all get to name it the set tonight too, and then the winner will be announced on Monday night. So no wipe top coat, and the no wipe top coat will help grab the base of the crystals, charm and chains in one place. This will keep it last for a few weeks. All right, so let's go into some of the shape right here. I just put in the trays just for you to see it right here. Can you see it right there? All right, so but this is smaller nails. It doesn't matter. Whatever shape you prefer, you pick, because all your clients, you have your clients pick the shape, whatever they want. They want simple or they want a lot going on. I don't know, I want like a lot of cute. It's really simple designs, and I make the clients not only happy, but then it doesn't take much of your times at all. I need gold beads. You see the gold beads somewhere? You go get the gold beads. It's right here. Sorry, I was organizing and I forgot to get the gold beads out. But if you don't want the gold beads, you can absolutely not have to put it on. I just want to add some on just in case you would like it. And if the clients want to get some things a little bit, it's like, here you go. You got more? Absolutely. And I'm gonna put the gold beads. You can put silver. Silver looks cute. Gold beads, rose gold, you name it. It's like all different.
And you asked that you're gonna top coat nails later over the pigment?
I did already. I did the no wipe top coat on the top of condensed glue gel. Just remember. Do you remember that I did? Hold on. Did I do it? I think I did.
Probably you did.
I did show you the condensed, and then I did a top coat. So, and then you do a crystal. So, however, if you don't want any crystals on the nails, all you need to do is simply top coat it and cure for 60 seconds. If you want to crystal placement on with neon, and you just need to do with condensed glue gel, and you do a no wipe top coat on the top, and then you place a crystal. So only a different step that you put condensed glue gel underneath of your no wipe top coat, and just using a floating technique. This is a short nail, so I don't want to go on and on with the crystal, because you know me, I love crystal placements. I'm so obsessive with this. I could sit here and do so many with them. This is for our sweet clients' short nails. All right, so you can add more. You can change a different shape. You can do radiance. You can do like in a different shape. Radiance. Oh, somehow I didn't get my tip of this. There you go. Oh. Right here. Can't pick it. I'm going to cure this first, and I'm going to show you a different shape. 60 seconds for this one. You can do like radiant shape. You pick whatever your clients prefer. You can do radiant shape. You can also do radiance in the different colors. It's come in your kit. It's everything in your kits. And I mean in your neon kits. Or like this. The next one, we're going to do this one. All right, so let's move this, guys, to on the side, so then we can continue with the next nails. Oops, sorry. So let's go into the next nails we have right here.